Hello everyone, today is July 15th, 2021, and welcome back to my channel. And today, let's have a quick update. Let me walk over here. They're actually working on our house, so I don't want to get in their way, the workers' way. Well, yeah, they actually finished the exterior of our brick. Walk over here. So they finished the exterior brick. They added all the missing pieces. Let's walk around here. Now we're walking to the side of the house. And they actually flattened the dirt because they're about to install the grass or the sod soon. We actually have blinds as well. You can see upstairs they have the blinds. They installed the blinds today. And down here too, you can see they have the blinds. You really can't see from the outside though, but yeah, they installed the blinds. And we're walking towards the back of the house. And then, so now we're in the back of the house. As you can see, they kind of flattened the, I guess they call it grading, the sand, because they're about to, like I said, they'll be installing the sod or the grass soon. So let's go back here. And then they also finished the exterior brick in the back of the house as well. The last order came in, so they did that today. So you can see this is our back porch. And you can also see, you might be able to see the blinds. They installed the blinds as well. You can see over here they have the blinds. And then back here, this is our kitchen area. They have the blinds. So yeah, they actually did a lot from yesterday. Now that we're like less than 2 weeks from closing, I try to come here at least every day after work. So I've been here every day after work, you know, just making sure they're not missing anything. And we have our, they call it an orientation, but I guess it's called like a walkthrough next week. So I just want to make sure everything's buttoned up before we do our walkthrough. But yeah, it's looking good. And you can see from the side, we have our blinds. Looking from the outside, you can see the blinds. And as we walk towards the side of the house. And this over here, this is our study from the outside. And we have our blinds as well. The house is looking beautiful. It looks like they cleaned the windows too. Now we're back in front of the house.